what is CLAT? CLAT stands for Common Law Admission Test. It's a test that's held only once a year, this time on December 7, 2025. There's no specific criterion of your GK knowledge. It's everything that's been happening from technology to even movies. To keep up with it, to ensure that you have a streamlined version where you can learn and be able to answer questions in your paper, you need guidance.
Who do you think will be able to help you the most with respect to cracking CLAT? It's the people who have cracked themselves. That's exactly where IntelVerse will come in. But I was wondering, what exactly is IntelVerse offering which others are not?
Firstly, in a 3-month crash course, when you need to learn everything from scratch, IntelVerse offers you 180 plus hour of classes. That includes marathon classes just before your CLAT and doubt clearing sessions every month. Additionally, we have 24 mock tests just to test where you stand at every point in your preparation. Along with that, we have regular sectional tests and practice tests. Who will be the ones teaching you? They will be the ones who have already cracked CLAT and are right now either lawyers or academicians or are themselves pursuing their law degree.
Fine, but a lot of other coaching centers in the industry also claim to give you a lot of hours of classes, mock tests and other stuff like that. What unique are you offering that makes IntelVerse stand out and that will help students crack CLAT just when they need the help?
Well, that I'll explain with a personal example. For example, I used to be very confident about English, but I had no clue about quant or GK. Looking at the syllabus, I would feel like not attempting CLAT at all. That is where IntelVerse brings you specialized courses on subjects where you think you lack. While of course legal reasoning or logical reasoning are completely new. Even subjects that you think you may know, you might find it difficult. That is where you will have IntelVerse providing you with specialized courses just for that subject. Why do people sit for CLAT? You, after completing this course, can register and pass the Bar Council exam to be a successful lawyer. Now, what are the career prospects? Junaid will be able to guide you better.
So, once you get into a national law school or any private college from CLAT, the career prospects are huge. You can be a litigation lawyer, you can be a corporate lawyer, you can be an in-house counsel, you can have your own very startup, you can be a part of policy think tanks, you can explore stuff, you can explore other alternative career options like ADR, which is basically mediation, or you can explore other stuff like script writing. So we'll have 2 batches for this crash course. One is starting from 8th of September and the other one on 15th of September. Unfortunately, the 8th September batch is already full, so right now the only option available is to quickly grab the 15th September course.